everybody, Colin here with Techout. Excuse the noise outside. I don't know if you guys can hear that or not. Neighbor is having some yard work done right as I decided to record this. But I picked up the wireless Phantom White Xbox One controller, and I just wanted to do an unboxing of this because it was a kind of a unique color that I thought was pretty cool. I know it's just a standard Xbox controller, but I picked that up, and I also picked up an Xbox One wireless adapter for Windows, so I can use my controller wirelessly now, so I don't have to have that super long cable going to my PC anymore, which is going to be really nice. So let's just take a look at this and see what it looks like. So here is the controller on top right here. I do also have the Xbox One Elite controller, but I've been having some issues with the joysticks kind of drifting and stuff on this. So I'm going to use this for my PC just for games on there, and I'll use this for like my Xbox and stuff like that when I do decide to play it. It's kind of nasty because I've had it for a couple years and I use it a lot. So this is the Xbox One Phantom White. You can kind of see the internals right there, some of the buttons and everything. You kind of see them moving, which is pretty cool. Nice little design there. Kind of see in the back. So it's kind of it's a clear frosted top and then a white bottom, which is a nice little unique color, like I said. So that is the Xbox One wireless controller in Phantom White. I'm Colin with Techout. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe. And as always, have a great day.